Title insurance in Canada. Disclaimer: information, strategies, and opinions contained in this presentation are provided for general information and convenience only. Since the particulars of each situation may differ and information may change rapidly, one must seek appropriate, qualified professional advice before acting based upon any information provided by World Wealth Builders or any affiliate association. What is a title insurance? Title insurance in Canada gives homeowner a protection, someone who can claim a legal interest in the property. It also protects Canadian homeowners against loss resulting from municipal work orders, survey, certification, location defects, unpaid taxes by the previous owner, or a number of other covered title risks such as title fraud. When would you need to buy a title insurance? When you're buying a home or a land, that's the time for you to require that you obtain a title insurance. Part of the price paid will be for the improvement of the actual home, but the major cost of property is the land itself. You obtain title property. You obtain title to the property when the owner signs the deed over to you. Title is then registered in the provincial land title office. Prior to closing, public records are searched for determining previous owners of property as well as prior dealing relating to it. The search might reveal, for example, existing first and second mortgage, liens, outstanding taxes, utilities, liens, any other mechanic liens, or anything of the nature. This is an important part of the due diligence that every full-time real estate is required. At closing, the buyer expects the property to be free of such claims, so normally they must be cleared up before closing. For example, the seller mortgage will be discharged and outstanding monetary expenses such as taxes and utilities charges will be paid out of the adjustment or at the closing. If the title is restricted by rights and claims of others, this could limit your use and enjoyment of the property and even bring financial losses. However, such issues may not be discovered or remedied before closing. The title insurance will protect you against these type of situations though. Being a professional real estate investor, one can avail the opportunity to make more money by having a proper education and proper mentoring. The more education and knowledge you have in this particular field, you may gonna find it's gonna reflect upon your personal net worth though. Do I need the title insurance? Absolutely. Well, title insurance is not required in all provinces. To understand fully what type of protection you need to speak to your real estate lawyer about it. Now, once you get all the facts, you can make an information decision based upon specific situation needs, but title insurance, in my opinion, is must in Canada. Title insurance policy can be issued in favor of purchaser or a lender, which is a bank, or both purchaser and lender. Lender will sometimes require that title insurance is condition of making the loan. The title insurance protects purchaser and lender against loss or damage sustained if the claim that is uncovered under the terms of the policy is made. What does title insurance cover? For one-time fee, that's all you have to pay. A one-time fee, which is called the premium, a title insurance of the policy may provide protection from losses as unknown title defects, existing lien against property, encroachment, and that's a big one by the way, title fraud, error in the survey, and your title insurance also protects you as long as you own your property and will cover losses up to the maximum coverage set up in the policy. It may also cover most of the legal expenses relating to restoring your property to the title. How about native land and environment hazards? Most of the time they are not covered in the title insurance though. Be sure to discuss all these elements with your real estate lawyer before signing the dotted line though. How long the insurance is covered? The title insurance is covered as long as you own the property. Most residential properties coverage are up to their spouse, even to their heirs. Again, you need to check with your real estate lawyer before signing this piece of paper. Does the title insurance protect the mortgagee? Mortgagee is the bank or the lender. Yes, it does, as long as it's covered by the policy itself. Lenders are usually covered up to the principal amount of the mortgage, nothing more, nothing less though. How often do you have to make the premium for the title insurance? As I said, this is mostly paid only once when you purchase a piece of property, or whenever you decided to have put a title insurance on the property. It's only one-time fee. Most of the policy cover only a homeowner, but if you want to cover the lender, then you need to make sure that you are asking for the same policy which cover purchaser as well as the lender. Lender is the bank though. Is it worth having a title insurance? Absolutely. It's definitely it's a must. If you are looking into it, you must have it, because in case there's any issue required, that title insurance is going to give you a peace of mind though. We have a very special gift pack for you which contains practical educational material ready to implement now. It's worth about $999. It's absolutely free of charge for you, provided you become a member of World Wealth Builder, a world-class real estate investor education and mentoring center. What do we offer you? That the taxman pay your down payment. It's a huge presentation. It can save you a tremendous amount of money. Second thing, let the taxman pay for your moving cost. That could save you from $5,000 to $40,000 depending upon on your move and your expenses. Again, as long as you're moved because of your job, business, or education 40 kilometers away from one place to second, you're qualified for it. It's an amazing article. Third one, let the taxman pay for your garden suite. That's another exciting article for you, as well as video presentation. These three packages can save you hundreds and thousands of dollars though. We want to say thank you very much for your time. Don't forget to visit worldwealthbuilders.com, which is the world-class real estate investor education and mentoring center. We'll see you in the next video.